When I first started teaching, my enthusiasm and optimism were really what propelled my class forward. I would be the first one in the school building. I was often the last one to leave, and I would spend every night grading papers and all weekend lesson planning and grading more papers. But even then, something in me knew that that was not sustainable for very long. And so soon enough, I became overwhelmed, overburdened, and overextended from wearing all the hats that teachers are constantly asked to wear. And I knew that my classroom needed to be revitalized, reinvigorated, resuscitated. I knew that I could no longer just be a classroom manager. I needed to become a classroom leader. I had to open myself up to the idea that I can't do this work alone. And I knew that some way, somehow, I had to become the person that I had been Googling. And when I started coming out of this sort of dark valley and creating this transition in my life, I really felt like I was able to get my life back and then my classroom back. So since the beginning, the goal of Real Rap with Reynolds has been to share the hardships and the successes that I've learned in the classroom to help others become the teachers that they are called to be. So the question is this: is it time for you to separate the stress from success and to start loving teaching again? Now that might sound like an impossibility, but you do not any longer have to be a prisoner in your own classroom. And I can tell you, because I've been there, that once I mastered these strategies, the ones I'm going to share with you, I was able to run my classroom without feeling like I was stuck in it. And the real beauty in this is that my life became my own again. I was free to hang out with my friends. I was free to go on dates with my wife and spend really precious time with my own kids and my dog. And I was finally free to separate my work life from the rest of my life. I mean, just imagine what that freedom could feel like to you. And it's real. You can increase your efficiency and your productivity without feeling like you're burning out. Just like we tell our students all the time, teachers have to be lifelong students. And this is your chance to discover another side of yourself that you may not have known existed, and then leverage that to better your personal and your professional life. Discover these secrets by joining the Classroom CPR Workshop now.